Are you facing any trouble while uploading YouTube videos to your channel? It successfully uploads, then gets stuck and shows. Processing will begin shortly. In this tutorial, I will show you how to solve the uploading issue with your YouTube videos. Step 1. Delete that video and re-upload it after a couple of minutes or hours. Perhaps this issue with the YouTube server will be rectified after a couple of hours. Step 2. Check your video file format. Maybe the file format is incompatible with YouTube or corrupted while exporting. Then try to re-edit or re-export the file to the correct format and upload it again. Or use any online video converter to convert the file to a YouTube-compatible format. Step 3. Contact YouTube support. After uploading, open Content option in YT Studio, and then click on Send Feedback. Here, you will get a message box to contact YouTube support team. Click Capture Screenshot and allow it. Here, you can highlight the specific video that shows the error. And send a message to the YouTube team with your issue shown in the video. After sending the message, please wait for a couple of hours. In my case, after 1 hour, now you can see my problem is solved and my video is ready to be published, and there are no restrictions on it. All checks are completed successfully. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.